Have you ever had one of those nights where you simply can't turn off, no matter how tired you are? It's a common problem. But what if you could transform your evenings into a time of relaxation and restoration with just a few key habits? In this video, we're exploring a night routine designed to help you relax and restore your body and mind. Discover how a calming and structured evening routine can improve your sleep quality, reduce stress, and prepare you for a more productive day ahead. The importance of relaxation and restoration. Quality sleep is essential for overall health. It allows your body to repair itself, your mind to process information, and your emotions to stabilize. Creating a night routine focused on relaxation and restoration can significantly impact how well you sleep and how refreshed you feel in the morning. We'll examine how effective relaxation techniques and evening habits can help you wind down from the day and prepare for restful sleep. Crafting your relax and restore routine. Wind down with intention. Start your evening routine by setting aside at least an hour for relaxation before bed. This is your dedicated time to shift from the day's activities to a state of calm. Engage in activities that help you unwind, such as reading a book, enjoying a warm herbal tea, or practicing gentle stretching. Avoid high-stimulation activities like watching TV or checking emails. Instead, focus on calming practices that signal to your body that it's time to slow down. Relaxation techniques. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation. These practices can help lower your stress levels and prepare your body for sleep. Consider using guided meditation apps or calming music to enhance your relaxation experience. A consistent practice can help train your body to recognize these cues as signals for rest. Create a restful environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for relaxation. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet to promote better sleep. Invest in comfortable bedding and consider using essential oils like lavender to create a soothing atmosphere. Implement a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your internal clock and enhances the quality of your sleep. Self-care practices. Incorporate self-care rituals into your routine, such as a warm bath with Epsom salts or a calming face mask. These activities not only help you relax, but also provide a sense of pampering and self-love. Engage in gentle yoga or stretching to release physical tension and prepare your body for rest. Upgrade your home workouts with my Top Gear picks. Check the description for the best HIIT mat, workout guide, gym equipment, and more. Click now to transform your fitness routine. By incorporating these tips into your nightly routine, you'll be on your way to a more restful, restorative sleep and a healthier, more balanced lifestyle.